Now in this video we will see how to create the washer. So to create the washer we need to go to the 2D button. In 2D click on this auto mesh. Now here there are two different options available. One is the elements, other is the surface. So elements means the meshing that we are going to do, and surface, so we need to select the surface. So this is the surface we have selected. So we can either select these different surfaces and click on the mesh, so that automatically the mesh will get generated all over this entire surface. But now to achieve the good quality mesh, what care we need to take is, first of all, where there is a hole we need to create a washer, so that we can avoid the stress concentration effects and we can get the exact, or what we can say, so that the results of our simulation will match the experimental results. So we need to go to the geometry option, then quick edit. Now in this quick edit you can see the option that is washer split and offset value 5. Now this offset value will depend upon what is the, now see what this is coming onto the screen, that is, do you want to change the color scheme to improve performance? So it is just what we can say visual effects related problem, so no need to worry about it. We can simply close it and proceed further. So we are going to see that what exactly is the washer in this meshing and why it is required to be created. So, and what should be the size of the elements we should select. So for washer, ideally the offset value should be 1 if it is a sheet metal and you have been given, suppose, the exact or the target element size as 5 mm, you can select here 5, or if it is given that the target element size is 3 mm, so you can simply select here as a 3. So let's do it with 5 mm. Now washer split will happen over the line, so we need to select the line first. So see, the washer is created for a distance of 5 mm. You can click on this return button. Now see, suppose we want to create a meshing for this washer, so you can go to simply 2D option, and in that this auto mesh. So surface, now what will happen if we create a washer here, the surface gets divided, or what we can say simply it gets split. So now this surface can be selected separately, and now simply we need to click on this mesh button. So see what is happening, the mesh is generated. Now we will try to refine the mesh by selecting the number of nodes. So ideally this will happen that if on the inner side, if there are total 14 nodes, outer side there are 14 nodes, then there will be the chords forming in this area. So the mesh is generated on this part. Now come on this left side, see here the geometry is also on, mesh is also on, so that's why both are visible. Again in this mesh only we are not able to see the complete surface, only the borders is visible. So this is the option available, that is shaded elements. All these are called as the elements. So now once we click on this option, that is shaded elements, so these elements will be completely visible. Now again we can use the different colors for it, depending upon whichever you are comfortable with. There is nothing as such like any standard color. So let's select, suppose I will select brown color, so that it will not affect the eyesight. Now again in the similar way we will select the surface, inner surface first, create the mesh, so see the elements are created. We can then align them to the profile as well. So see, if we switch off this model, the elements will be visible in this way. To simplify this mesh, we can again create the washer over this region as well. So what we are trying to do here is that generating a even mesh